Hey guys, so in this video we are going to do Ipython shortcuts. Ipython shortcuts are just shortcuts that you're going to be using in Jupyter notebooks to get around more quickly. This is not going to be super long. I'll try to keep everything super short. So let's get in. Um, I haven't prepared any folder for this YouTube series for some reason. So let's do just that. Yeah, it's going to be a quick one. Okay. Have YouTube there. Okay. So when you open up your Jupyter notebooks, this is what it's supposed to look like. I'm intending this to be the first video, so I hope this doesn't confuse anyone in case I put this video under another video. But this is what it's supposed to look like. So right now, this little cursor icon is beeping. It means our cursor is currently active. So when you press the escape key, the cursor is not going to be beeping anymore or blinking. So it means our cell is inactive. So when our cell is inactive, it allows us to operate on cells, basically. Yeah. So if you press B, it's going to create a cell below your current cell. So to see this, we could add something in here and then press escape, and then B creates a cell below that. So we could go back to our cell and press A, and A creates a cell above that. So we could press escape again and then press X, and that's going to delete the current cell. It's going to also delete the current cell, and then we could just add a bunch of cells. Yeah, I think you can add as many as you like. If your PC crashes, it's not on me. But yeah, is there anything else that we need? Um, those are the only cell related things that I use, but for when I was taking the data science book, or when I'm studying it, rather, I like to take notes. So you have this little thing up here that sort of sets the data type for your cells. I don't know if that's what it's called. I just like to call it that. So you could have code, which is just your usual code. Yeah. And then you could have markdown. Markdown just allows you to have text. So you can have headers like that, and below the headers, you could have bullet points, like that, and you could just have plain text. Um, oh wow, I don't think it's supposed to be like that. You could just have plain text, sort of like that. Yeah, so Jupyter's flexibility is really good when it's most useful when you're trying to show people steps in your working. And I think this is why it's preferred by lots of people. So I think this is the only thing that you'll need along the way. If I forgot something, I would definitely mention it in the later videos. But just be sure to play around with this a little bit because clicking around gets really old when you're working with notebooks. So yeah, that's it. And thanks for watching.